Capricorn, the mountain and the sea. The path of mastery. Some seek the horizon, others become the mountain. Every sign carries a gift. Capricorn's gift is transformation through dedication. This is the energy of the builder, the architect, the master craftsperson. Capricorn reminds us that dreams alone are not enough. Vision must be grounded. Inspiration must become action. The stars may guide the dream. Discipline brings it to life. Some seek the horizon. Others become the mountain. The climb reveals the path. The journey reveals the self. And with each step, the impossible becomes possible. Wear your light, ground your truth. The Healing Key, Capricorn.